of the Lord moves in my heart. I will dance in my heart. I will dance like Baby dance. I will dance. I will dance. I will dance. I will dance as David dance.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning. So, it's my birthday today and we'll go to Jerusalem. Hello. Hindi ko makita ang mukha ko. Gabi pala. It's 5:50 in the morning.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes.
Good morning, guys. So we are here in Jerusalem, going to Jerusalem, walking. Nagpunta lang pala kami dito sa Jerusalem para maglakad-lakad. O, diba?
Old City? Sa mga Old City, yan pa lang.
Parang class A class, ano lang yan.
Saan yung Malhamol? Yung saan? Aga-agal din. Di ba nag-rugi na ito?
Bigyan tayo
Nag-LED daw yung sila. So makita yung picture. Naawa pa. Di ba nung pumunta lang yung taban na kulikat ako? Yung pangit. Hindi, I mean this. Kanya, we're going to follow this one? Sister, ano naman, doon ka yung kakambal ko. Para ka ng...
This guys is trial.
Yes, we are going to trial court where Jesus trialed. Or we are in Jerusalem.
Where's the prosecutor na to?
So I love Jerusalem. We are here in Jerusalem. Ayan na yung Tower of David. All of Jerusalem. And we are entering to the Jaffa Gate to David's Tower. All right. Jaffa Gate. In Jaffa Gate. So this is the Jaffa Gate.
Jerusalem timeline.
Second temple? Oh, at saka Roman period is second temple. Hindi ah? Oh, hindi. Second period din. Byzantine also is ano. 1970 is, not 1970. 70 AD is the fall of the Herod's temple. Kasi isuna itinang renovate. Maala ba?
The almond tree. Ayan na, may mga bunga.
Almond tree.
Ito yung almond tree. Ayan.
Asan yung fruits?
This is the fruits. I'll try. This is the almond.
Nung sariwa to kumain ka na. Ito tuyo na.
O mas masarap yun sis. Meron sa
Oh, ito, brother.
Bakit ikaw?
Ayoko.
Ayaw mo?
So, ayan guys. Ito naman ang pine tree dito sa Jerusalem. Diba, parang makakapal yung yung leaves niya, pero sa Philippines it's pinong-pino. At saka yung niya, bro. Puno niya, iba din.
Ay, wow.
Kunin mo hanggang bro. Ay.
Eh, saan kaya nakatayo si Herod?
Kasi they try to hide the truth.
Ayan. Nasa Kingdom of Heaven ka na.
Even the Taiwan generation like that, we have discovered. It's just behind. Herod's palace is just behind. Siyempre siya pusumlok ka din ali.
Courtyard niya.
Oo.
Courtyard.
Ponchos is not ay
nagbisita ni Pontius Pilato. Ah, hindi, he was the governor.
Yeah, pero Pontius Pilate is not an evil man. Diba? I mean, he was, kasi diba,
Ang birthday girl, umakyat na sa Kingdom of Heaven.
Are you sure that this is kingdom?
Yes.
Pero Jay ko na naman. Well, nagpala ka isa na i-demand dito ka tao. Religious na natani.
Hindi picture na yung tanga bato.